All right, y'all, let's get into it. Today, we're going to talk about how to save some serious cash on your taxes if you're driving for rideshare or working gigs. So grab a pen and paper because we're not leaving any money on the table this year, okay? Listen, mileage is where the big savings at. For every mile you drive for work, whether it's picking up passengers, dropping them off, or running errands, you can deduct 67 cents per mile. Make sure y'all keeping good records on mileage. Use apps like Stride or Mile IQ, or even just jot it down in a notebook. Start and end odometer readings for every trip. Don't sleep on this. Okay, if you're not using that mileage method, you can claim your actual car expenses. That means things like maintenance, oil changes, new tires, repairs, you name it. Even depreciation if you own the car. But here's the trick. You got to figure out how much you use your car for work versus personal. If it's 70% for work, then 70% of those costs are deductible. Gas is another big one for those using actual expenses. Keep every receipt, y'all. If you're driving 80% for work, then 80% of your gas costs are deductible. Don't just guess. Do the math so you're not leaving anything behind. Now here's an easy one. Tolls and parking fees. If you're paying for tolls or parking while you're working, it's 100% deductible. So whether it's a downtown pickup or a toll bridge, make sure you're tracking every penny. Y'all already know your phone is a must-have for this gig. From navigation to calling passengers, you're using it for work all the time. So if you're splitting your phone use 50-50 between work and personal, you can deduct half your bill. Easy money. All right, if you're one of those drivers who likes to offer water, snacks, or little goodies to your passengers, keep those receipts. These are business expenses and they're deductible. Great service and a tax break? Yes, please. Let's keep it real. No one wants to ride in a dirty car. Car washes, detailing, vacuuming, cleaning supplies, you can deduct all of it. Keep your car looking sharp and let the IRS help cover the cost. All right, y'all, here's the deal. Whether you're using mileage or actual expenses, it's all about tracking everything. Save your receipts, use apps, whatever works for you. Every little deduction adds up when tax time rolls around, so don't miss out. All right, that's a wrap. Stay organized, track your expenses, and don't be afraid to ask a tax pro for help if you're stuck. The goal is to keep as much of your money in your pocket as possible. So let's get out there and handle it, okay?